In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off AutoProtect on Norton using the best method. We'll walk through it step by step to ensure you can easily follow along. So, let's dive right in. First, what you want to do is locate and open the Norton app on your computer. If it's your first time using Norton, you might have it pinned on your desktop, or you can access it through your Start menu by searching for Norton. Just click on the icon, and it'll open up the main dashboard for you. This dashboard is home to all your main security tools and settings. Once you're in the Norton application, navigate over to the section labeled Security. This is usually an easy find on the user interface, as it is one of the main tabs available right at the top. Clicking on Security will bring you to a more focused view of everything you can manage and adjust regarding your PC's safety and performance. Now, to really get into the nitty-gritty of the settings, you need to proceed by clicking on Advanced Security. You can think of this as unlocking a more detailed control panel that offers a deeper insight into the functionalities of Norton. It's ideal for when you want to adjust specific security measures such as turning off AutoProtect. The next move is to find the AutoProtect option. If you're wondering what AutoProtect is, it's a feature that continuously scans your files and applications in real time to protect you from malware and other threats. Now, while this feature is excellent for ongoing protection, there might be situations where you need to temporarily turn it off, for instance, when installing certain legitimate software that Norton might otherwise flag. To turn off AutoProtect, once you've clicked into it, you should see a toggle or button that allows you to disable the feature. Click on it and then confirm any prompts that may appear. Norton might ask if you're sure you want to proceed, considering it's a significant security measure that you're temporarily disabling. Rest assured, you can easily turn it back on anytime by following the same steps. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off AutoProtect on Norton. Remember, it's always a good practice to turn it back on after you're done with the task that required it to be off, as staying protected from threats is crucial for maintaining your system's health and safety. If any issues arise while following these steps, ensure your Norton software is up to date, as interfaces may slightly differ with updates. Thank you for tuning in. And if this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials and tech tips.